Strengthening your security posture by mitigating risk in your software starts with the people who deliver it. But how do developers, architects, QA engineers, and others critical to software delivery know what secure software looks like? Quests by Secure Code Warrior empowers these contributors to apply secure by design principles in the software they produce. Quests enables this by delivering curated, prioritized learning paths to expand knowledge of secure by design best practices and deepen contributors' ability to embed them in the software they ship. Built on years of insights in secure code best practices, Quests delivers assigned learning paths that allow admins to set goals based on vulnerability or compliance requirements. These paths come with Secure Code Warrior's best practices built in, automatically updating with the latest content. Assigned through a turnkey admin experience, Quests come pre-configured to enable setup and updates to secure code learning programs in minutes, delivering a progressive learning path that moves from conceptual best practices to deeply interactive hands-on learning in the learner's selected programming language. Quests features thousands of learning activities in dozens of programming languages, covering hundreds of vulnerabilities and critical standards. And Quest accelerates your time to software security by strengthening your security posture, making security awareness and best practices an integral part of every piece of software. Optimizing the development lifecycle using a proactive approach to secure code, which minimizes vulnerabilities, reducing time spent on remediation, and achieving regulatory compliance with learning that goes beyond minimum requirements to make security an integral part of software delivery. Ready to get started with Quests? Join the more than 600 enterprises using Secure Code Warrior to optimize their security posture. Let's get started.